Welcome back to another AI Trekkers Post discussion.
I'm Emma.
And I'm John.
And as always,
We are trekking across the AI universe,
exploring the trends and topics that are really...
shaping this incredible field.
Yeah.
So,
Today we are diving deep into an area
I know.
I think a lot of our listeners...
We're really curious about.
Yeah, the sustainability of the AI boom in the stock market.
This is a big one.
Huge.
And,
We've got a great article to kind of guide us along.
yeah, this Cryptopolitan article.
Yeah, from Cryptopolitan.
That really caught our eye, so.
That caught my attention.
I think one of the biggest things that kind of jumps out at us
Is this incredible growth
Yeah.
of the, quote-unquote Magnificent Seven tech giants.
Mm-hmm.
Your NVIDIA, Microsoft, and the rest.
Right.
Their combined market cap, and I always feel like I need to explain this every time I say it.
Well, for those who don't know,
For those who don't know.
market cap is
Yeah, basically that means...
the total value of all their shares, right?
Right, exactly. So their combined market cap has doubled recently.
Wow.
While the S&P 500, which is sort of a measure of the entire U.S. stock market...
Like a benchmark?
Yeah, benchmark, only saw a 50% increase.
So that is a huge difference. It's like
It's massive.
they're on a rocket ship,
Right.
and everyone else is kind of stuck in a traffic jam.
Totally.
But, the article does suggest that this might not be sustainable.
Yeah, and it even brings up the European Central Bank
Right.
issuing a warning.
About a potential AI-induced bubble.
A bubble.
It's a pretty serious claim, right?
But-
Coming from them.
Especially coming from them. And I think it's important for us to break down.
Yeah, why are they concerned?
Yeah.
Why is this such a big deal?
Well, a market bubble happens when the price of something, stocks in this case, gets inflated
Right.
beyond its real value.
Pumped up.
Yeah, pumped up
Speculation, hype,
due to speculation and hype.
and, we've seen this happen before
Oh, yeah.
with tech.
.com bubble
The dot-com
in
bubble
the late 90s.
in the late 90s. And,
And when that bursts,
it can send shockwaves through the entire system.
the whole thing.
So for our listeners out there, why should you care
Yeah.
about this potential AI bubble,
Right.
even if you're not?
If you're not directly invested in these companies,
Yeah.
I think it's helpful to think of the stock market as like a giant ecosystem.
Okay.
In like any ecosystem, everything's interconnected.
Right.
So if the AI sector experiences a major correction,
Uh-huh.
it could trigger a domino effect,
Right.
impacting other
Your
redistribution
retirement,
funds.
your 401k,
Yeah. The economy as a whole.
the whole thing.
So it's not just about,
The tech folks,
tech folks.
the day traders.
Yeah.
It's about everybody.
It's about everyone.
Now, this Cryptopolitan article, one of the things it points out is,
Yeah, this is interesting. The shift happening in, AI investing.
yeah,
Investors seem to be moving away from the hardware
right,
side of things.
focusing more on software,
Software companies.
like your Palantirs,
Yeah, Palantir, Snowflake.
your Snowflakes.
What's driving that change?
Well, I think it's all about stability
Okay.
and proven results, right?
Sure.
You're looking for companies that can weather
Yeah, can they weather the storm?
the storm,
Right.
economic downturns,
Economic downturns.
consistently deliver profits.
And are they consistently making money?
And I think software companies, especially those that are leveraging AI
Right.
to offer unique solutions
Right.
in areas like
Good analytics.
Data analytics.
Cybersecurity.
cybersecurity.
They seem to be fitting that bill.
Yeah. Take Palantir, for example.
Right.
They're using AI to analyze massive data sets,
Right.
helping governments, corporations make better decisions.
Right.
Snowflake's built this cloud-based data platform,
Yeah.
AI-powered,
Yeah.
extremely adaptable.
Scalable.
They're demonstrating real value.
And that's what attracts investors,
It's
especially in times like these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it makes a lot of sense. But what about the companies that are
Yeah.
driving the hardware side of AI,
Right.
like NVIDIA, for instance,
Right.
who specializes in those powerful chips needed for AI processing?
Right.
Are they in trouble?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
But there are valid concerns. I
Yeah.
mean, when a company's stock price gets as high as NVIDIA's,
Mm-hmm.
it's based on enormous expectations
Yeah, they got to perform.
for future growth.
Right.
They have to keep performing.
And if they stumble,
If they stumble even slightly,
yeah,
the fall could be,
hope time.
yeah, their valuation is sky high.
Mm-hmm.
And high valuations mean higher risk.
Right.
So for investors, it's kind of a classic case of
High risk,
high risk.
high reward. So there's a bit of a tightrope walk for those hardware giants. Now, beyond the market dynamics, the Cryptopolitan article mentioned something else too. This skepticism around AI's ability
Yeah.
to really deliver those
They're really
more
delivering.
widespread productivity gains.
Right.
Is that something you're seeing?
Absolutely. I
Oh.
think, while there's no denying the potential of AI,
Of course.
it's crucial to separate the hype from reality.
Mhm.
Some experts argue that, we're overestimating AI's impact on productivity.
Okay.
They point out that, yeah, AI can automate specific tasks,
Sure.
but it's not a magic bullet
Right.
that will suddenly make every industry
Hyper efficient.
hyper efficient.
Right.
There are still challenges with, integrating AI into existing workflows, making sure that human workers have the skills
Right.
to work alongside these new technologies.
So it's not just about the tech itself.
It's not just about the tech.
It's about how we adapt and use it.
It's about how we use it.
A lot of food for thought there.
Mm-hmm.
So to quickly recap what we talked about today,
Okay.
AI-related companies are experiencing this tremendous growth,
Absolutely.
but there are concerns,
About potential bubble.
particularly with those hardware-focused companies.
NVIDIA.
Your NVIDIAs of the world.
Yeah.
Investors are shifting towards those software companies,
Ones that are
the
demonstrating
ones that are showing real value
real value
and
add.
resilience,
Resilience
while some skepticism remains about the real impact of AI
on productivity
on productivity across all sectors.
across the board.
So the key takeaway for our listeners today,
Be discerning.
be discerning.
Look beyond the hype.
Yeah,
Focus on companies that are using AI
to solve
to solve real-world problems,
real-world problems,
generate tangible value,
tangible values,
and demonstrate
sustainable
growth.
Yeah.
Don't just invest in buzzwords.
Right. Invest in substance.
Exactly.
Excellent advice.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for following AI Trekkers
And we will see you
on our next adventure.
across the AI universe.
See you next time.